Yeah, hello, welcome back to Kappa Crypto YouTube channel, your number one crypto news and marketing agency. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are highly welcomed. And if this is your first time of seeing my face on this channel, then it's time for me to reintroduce my name. My name is Okafumi Cynthia, and I'm the founder of Cafe Crypto, right? So, on today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can trade the spot market on Bybit. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to first create your Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, the first thing you need to do is to check the link below. So register your Bybit account, and after you are done with your registration, then the next thing you need to do is to fund your account. I also did a video on how you can do that, and there are two ways that you can fund your account. Is either you fund it by using the P2P section of Bybit. I have also done a video on that on the same channel, right? Yeah, so it's either you use P2P or you transfer from either your Binance, your Trust Wallet, your blockchain account, or any account at all that you have your USDT or any crypto that you want to send to it, right? Yeah, or maybe you have someone to buy from, right? You can head over to your asset and copy your um contract address and send to the person that is sending the crypto to you. So let's jump in right into it. So to trade the spot market, I've already logged into my account because I already have a Bybit account. So to trade the spot market here, the first thing you need to do is to come to trade. You are going to see the different kinds of trade. Have the spot trading, the margin, the leverage, the trading bots, launch pads, and so on and so forth, right? Yeah, so start trading the spot market, you click on trade, spot trading rather. So when you click on spot trading, it's going to open up the spot trading platform for you, and you are going to see the market section and also see the buying and selling section, right? Yeah, so this is a trading view on the Bybit exchange, right? Yeah, so to buy and sell on the exchange, you can see this is where you go to, right? So you see we have different options. We have the stop loss, we have the market price, we have the limit, right? We have the limit. So let's say that I want to buy a crypto project right now, right? Maybe someone recommended it for me, or I'm the one that just wants to buy a crypto project for myself, right? The first thing I need to do, just like I've said before, is to fund my account. And after funding my account, the next thing is to, if I'm the one to do the fundamental analysis or the technical analysis for the project, is to come to my chart, depending on you, right? Which is not what we are going to be covering on this video, right? So depending on how you draw your trend lines and your support and resistance, right? Yeah, so you can know whether you use the 1 week, the 4 hours, the 15 minutes, if you are entering a scalping trade, or just you want to enter the market and make some profit within some days, right? Yeah, so depending on how you do your own analysis, so you just set up your trend line and know when to enter the market. But let's assume that we are not using the trend lines. Actually, that someone just told you to buy a particular coin, right? And you just want to come and buy it and leave it for some time in your wallet before selling, right? So the first thing you will need to do is to come to your trading section, right? This is where I am. You can say I have some money on my Bybit account, right? Yeah, so the first thing you need to do is to come to your trading section, put in an amount, and also depending, you can say I'm on spot, and there is market price, and there is also the limit price. But right now, I want to use the limit price. I don't want to use the market price, right? So market price, let me actually explain what these things mean. The limit price is that you are giving this trade a particular amount, let's say, okay, you can see right now that crypto is at 20,000, right? This is at 20,000, and so when you want to buy, it's going to automatically put the price for you, but then you don't want to buy at this price. And you can see Bitcoin has already at least done some good movements in the past few days now, right? So we can see it's moved from here to here, and this is on the daily candle, right? And right now it's trying to retrace. So now you want to check maybe where the market was before, and also know where you enter at, right? So let's take for instance that, okay, this market have moved to this, and we are assuming that it will still get back to this and probably fall back again. And so you want to set your buy price at let's say you want to set your buy price at 17,000 dollars. What this means is that, sorry, yeah, you want to set your buy price at $17,000, and you also would want to set the quantity that you want to buy. So let's say, or let's also assume that you don't want to set the quantity, that you have an amount of USDT that you want to use and buy it. So let's take for instance that you can actually also use this. It means that you want to use 10%, 15%, 25% of how much you have on your wallet to buy this project, right? Or maybe you want to put in the price. Let's say you have 100 USDT for instance, and you want to use 20 to buy BTC. When BTC gets to $17,000, that's what the limit price means. You are giving the app a prompt to help you buy this coin when it gets to this amount of money, right? Like for instance, setting it to buy when it gets to $17,000, and also the limit price, the market price actually means that you're not going to give it any prompt. You're going to just set how many USDT. Let's say you want to buy with 20 USDT. Once you click on buy BTC, right, it's going to automatically buy it for you at the market price. It's going to automatically buy it at, this is the market price. And the same thing is also applicable for when you want to sell, right? Yeah, and you have also stop loss and take profit. I'm going to be covering the stop loss and take profit in a totally different video, because it's something that really needs to for me to take time to explain for better understanding, right? So I'm going to make a separate video on stop loss and take profit. So this is what is applicable for when you want to buy and sell. So now let's take for instance, right, that I put, okay, the market is back to $21,000. So let me just say that I want to buy, this is the limit price, I want to buy USDT when I want to buy crypto, I want to buy BTC when it gets to say $25,000, and I want to use $20 worth of USDT, right? So when I click on buy right now, it's going to be on the order list, right? So I'm going to, you can see this is the quantity, this is the order value, this is the order price. If I click on buy right now, you are going to see it on my, cannot be higher than, okay, $21,000. Okay, so it said it cannot be higher. Okay, so let's just say that I want to buy when it gets to $22,000. Yeah, so I want to buy I want to buy when it gets to $18,000. Right, I want to buy when it gets to $18,000. So if I click on it, this is what it's going to give me, right? Yeah, so I'll click on buy, then it's going to set, you can see order submitted successfully. If you scroll down now, you are going to see it on your, okay, let me see. Okay, so you can see my order here. Sorry, I clicked out. So so you can see my order here below these current orders, right? So you can see it. You can see past orders, or trade history, subscription, and redemption history. Then also by this right corner of my screen, we are also going to see the order book that comprises of the people who are selling, people who are buying, right? This is where the market, this is where all the buying and selling happens, right? These people are selling, the ones who have the green are selling, the ones with the blue, that is the green, are trying to buy into the market, right? Probably people who just want to FEMO in because the market is still going to drop right before the main bull market starts, right? Yeah, so that is it. And so because I just set this trade just to show you what it actually looks like, I'm going to cancel it right now and also set a sell order. But then I can't really set the sell order because I don't have any coin apart from USDT on this wallet, right? So that is actually it. But then the same procedure applies to selling. So I'm going to go ahead right now to cancel this trade. You can see I've already canceled it. So let's say that I want to sell now, right? So let's say that I want to sell now. I'm going to go what, put the price I'm going to sell my BTC at. Right now, BTC is at 20,900. So let's say I want to sell at 25,000, and maybe I want to sell at 25,000, and maybe I have some BTC, right? For instance, then I'm going to just put the quantity of the BTC I want to sell. Then it's going to automatically show me the worth, but because I don't have BTC, that is why you are not being able to see it, right? Yeah, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell because I'm going to be uploading another video that teaches you how you can use the stop loss and the take profit on the Bybit spot trading platform, right? Yeah, so see you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also join us on our Telegram group where we share lots of information that can help you to make more money in the crypto space. I love you. Take care of yourself. Bye.